Hi, Joe. My name's Corey. Kelly told me to send over the screencast over to you. But real quick, I'm just going to give you three quick tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition and get a little bit more quality of traffic to your website as well. I got your site pulled up here. I'm just going to run through it. I like your call out, nice, easy to navigate. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. I'd really bring this your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, it's all content. Google recognizes it. You got Tampa AC repair and air conditioning in all of these. You could actually switch out other keywords that'll make a big difference with your ranking. If I go inside of Google here, and type in a heater repair Tampa, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. You got the old school ads here. Some of these ads can, even these Google guarantees, I've seen these up to about $140 a click. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll check here in a second. But these can get really, really pricey. But they came up these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls from those old school ads. Right here in this little map section, really to get the rankings in this area is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there, though. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. Underneath that little map section really comes down to that all that organic ranking on your website. This is the first page of Google. And really, to get there, it comes down with that authoric content. Also, what comes down to what's called a backlink. It's a link from a website that's linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. I just want to do a quick overview with you real quick. So if I take your URL and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So we got your REM air conditioning inside there. Kind of showing you what you got going on. You got 98 referring domains, which is pushing back 672 backlinks. This looks like historically you've had over almost 4,000 backlinks. You got 908 keywords you're being found for. It doesn't look like you're running any ads. I don't know if you're running any TV, radio, or anything like that, but I know those can get pretty pricey as well. Organic traffic wise, you're getting about 968 clicks on average to your site every month. Kind of seeing where these clicks are actually coming from. You got AC coil freezes up, AC coil freezes, a coil freezing up. I'm just looking for more of those buying intent keywords like air conditioning repair Tampa. You got your name in there several times. REM AC Tampa, your name, HVAC door, frozen. Tampa air conditioning repair. There we go. There's 250 clicks with that one keyword. You're 18th position, so you're missing all the traffic from there. Let me give you an idea of one of your competitors here. This is Scott's 1 hour air conditioning and heating, and stick them inside of Ahrefs right here. Do a quick overview. So they got 317 referring domains, which is pushing back a little over 2,000 backlinks. And they got about 1.6 keywords they're actually being found for. Looks like they are running some ads as well. The PPC stands for pay per click. So those ads can get really pricey. I've seen them for about $130, $140 a piece. So their organic clicks to their website is getting about just about 1,000 clicks every month. So if we come in and see where those clicks are coming from, these are the keywords. This is how people are finding his website. It tells you the position here, the amount of clicks every month, the amount of volume for that one keyword, and here's those keyword or keyword phrases. So Tampa air conditioning repair, there's 200 clicks every month. He's second position, and he's getting 25 clicks on average every month just for that one keyword there. AC repair Tampa, another 100 clicks. He's second position, getting 18 clicks on that one keyword. So really ideally, coming through and finding all these keywords and making sure that you're getting a decent amount of traffic being on the first page with those keywords as well is really crucial for that quality work. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to give me a call back. I'd do a free consultation or whatever with you. or a place, at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks. Have a good day.